We're knocking out more ugly and installing more cool. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today, like I said, we're knocking out more ugly and we're installing more cool. When I'm talking about the ugly, is one of the least expensive modifications that you could do to your 24s and newer Harleys from Custom Dynamics. And what are we doing? We're getting rid of the tongue. We don't like this tongue. So step one is remove your license plate. I already did that. Step two will be remove these two screws and then unplug it. Step three. So the tool you're going to need here is a T27 socket. And as you can see, I got it on a wobble extension. That's so I could clear the tongue. And save this hardware that's over here now, because you're going to reuse this hardware. And I'm going to add some blue thread locker to this, even though it wasn't installed from the factory. When using thread locker, make sure you use some common sense and use it where you think you need it. All right, so the bolt and the washer removed, making sure you have a good positive. Let's see, can I get to the plug? Not so easy. So we'll pinch this, push this through on the inside. And inside of here, on the inside, trying to get to the plug. Not so easy. Not so easy. Something is holding it up. Let's figure this out. I got the plug to come out. Took a little finagling, but I got it out. It's just a pinch right here. Don't let that fall back inside or you're going to have a nightmare. But while this is off, don't fall back inside like I said. While this is off, I'm going to pinch and put this through. Oh, it fell out anyway. Oopsie. That's all right.
Okie doke.
It feeds in through here and then comes out here. We could fix that. That's easy. Oh, wow, look at that. So it would be easier for us to feed it through. Haha. All right, but while this is apart, if you're like me, you ride your motorcycle, it gets quite dirty. So what I do is I grab my trusted Miracle Wash from Amsoil, which is a waterless wash, and I'm going to spray it down quite liberally so it will foam up. And it's that foaming action that lifts the dirt up away from the paint. As you can see it, you take your rag and just wipe it away.
Nice and clean.
Yep, and there's a little, see a little mark right there?
It's probably from the light rubbing.
Yep, that's exactly what that's from.
There's another one too.
Yep, there's a few of them, but that's okay.
That happens.
Yep, so we'll make this nice and clean, like so. Now this part goes through the fender, so we're gonna fish that up and through. And we are going to, okay, that goes in like that. So let's put this together, because I need to fish this through and have it together at the same time. I'm probably doing this the hard way, but that's okay.
Fell out, so.
Yep. Okay. That comes through.
Goes through.
Come on. You could do, all right, put that down. It's driving me crazy right now.
Bugger.
So there we go. We'll push this through just like that.
Want me to hold that?
Yes, will you hold that? Thank you, honey.
I will hold.
You're so good to me. Now, see if we could get this back in place. There we go.
Click.
And it clicks in.
Right.
So let it go. It's going to stay right there. It's going to behave.
It better.
So you're going to grab the new license plate mount from Custom Dynamics. Now, I paid full price for this. I bought this when I was up at Laconia at Bike Week, And I was kind of excited to get this. It comes nicely wrapped. It's black.
It's like powder coated. Nice.
Yes, it is. So it comes. We're going to also grab our license plate frame where the light is.
Oh.
Some channels will say, hey, look, it's done. What do you think? Not me. I'm going to show you the whole struggle.
Old struggle.
Yes. And nothing but the struggle. So, like I said, because very well packaged.
Yes, and shrink wrapped over it too.
Yep. And they give you a license plate template because we have to modify our license plate for this wire to come through.
Little notch.
We don't need the directions.
Yep, you've done them.
So this is the notch. But what I have to do here is feed this wire through here, just sort of like a so.
There you go.
No.
Oh.
There we go. Feed it through. It's a snug fit. Not a tight fit, but a snug fit. And what I'm going to do is I am going to plug this in now. Making sure not to scratch my fender. All right, and now I'm going to tuck this wire back inside of here where that was. And while we're here, we're going to mount our license plate bracket. So with a little thread locker and my happy tool, T27,
Yep.
reusing the washer and the bolt that was there from the factory. Make sure if your thread locker sits for any point of time to shake it up well before using it. So take a little bit of thread locker. That's all you need. That will do you. And insert. Run them in by hand, snugly. And someone's going to say, there's a torque to that. And they're 100% right. I just don't know what it is at this point, nor do I care to look it up. Because it's going into a plastic little case and sandwiches the fender. So again, a little bit more thread locker on the second bolt. Making sure we get this all aligned. Making sure the mount is straight. That looks straight to me. Grab our gun. And I'm going to use the ratchet just to make sure it's good and tight. Because the last thing I want is this thing to fall off on me on the road. That would be embarrassing. All right. So let's test the light to make sure it works. And as you can see, the light does work, and that's beautiful. They did a nice job.
Nice. You can see the glow.
Yep.
Right.
So what you want to do is grab your license plate, put the template over it, and you see that notch? I'm going to go cut this off with a cutoff wheel, and then I'll show you how we install it. Okay, now we're ready to mount our license plate. We got the notch in there, and that lines right up with the wire. As you can see, I do have to notch it a little bit more right there. So let me take care of that, and we'll get back at it. Notched it a little bit more, it clears the wire. This way it doesn't cause any chafing, because that would really, really be horrible. So you want to hold your license plate frame and the nut plate. And what we're going to do is we're going to start this by hand, hopefully. Just like that, and then we'll do the top. Oh, nope, didn't start. Thought it did. Okay, that started. Now we'll do the top one. And when I do the other side, that's where I'll start with the thread locker, just so I have something holding this together. All right, there you go. That side is started. Now you have a little unpainted or powder coated part. That's where I'm going to put the thread locker on this one. Just a leg of that. And just like the other side, I'm going to start here on the bottom. That's one. I'll do the top. And then I'll do the thread locker on the other two. And then this little project is all done. It's a nice little project. It's, like I said, one of the least expensive things you could do to your 24 newer Harley from Custom Dynamics, and it makes, in my opinion, a very dramatic change to your motorcycle. All right, now I'm gonna put the thread locker on these two, and then all right guys, so you tell me, do you like this look or do you like this look better? This or that? This or that? I prefer this. I think it looks a lot better. The function, it does the same thing. It holds your license plate and lights it up. So, I mean, form looks better. Function does the same exact thing. No big deal. But you're right around the $150 for all this through Custom Dynamics, which is awesome. I bought mine at the rally and brought it home. And it was like, you're not going to have it installed? I said, nope, I'm going to do it. It's because I wanted to share this with you because it's one of the easiest and least expensive things you could do to your 24 and newer touring motorcycles, which would be a Street Glide, Road Glide, the Street Glide Limited, Road Glide Limited. This is what the easiest thing and least expensive thing you could do. All right, everybody. Leave me a comment down below if you liked A or B. So, you tell me. I personally like B. And until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. As always, ride often. Definitely ride hard.